Apply your first Alumax Mosaic tile as a backsplash. First, you need to clean the surface. Then you must check if the countertop is level with the wall. You have the option of applying trims for added aesthetics or to hide the edges of the tile. In this case, you need to apply the trims first. To make the tile fit any dimension or fit around an outlet, cut the tile between mosaics using a utility knife or pliers. Next, peel off the protection film on the back of the tile. Apply each Alumax Mosaic tile on the wall, starting from the countertop or end of a cabinet. Flatten the surface of the tile with your hand or a roller. Finally, remove the surface protection film and you've just installed Alumax Mosaic tiles as easily as that.